I have with me Mr. Ali Harris Shere, VP Marketing of Britannia Industries. Thank you so much for talking to BloombergQuint. If you could give us some more information on your marketing spends for this relaunch.
So this is one of the very few significant launches that we are going to be doing in this year. And therefore, the kind of investments that we are going to put behind Treat is going to be significant. We are putting in we've put in a lot of investment in product development, in new packaging, advertising creation, but the true investment is going to be in promotion and in awareness creation for the new mix. And we are looking at very aggressive investments to the tune of approximately 50 crores in the next 9 to 12 months.
Okay. Also, can you tell me, what was the rate that the sandwich cream biscuit market was growing at in the last few years? And, because you said there's been a bit of stagnation in that category. And what is the growth rate that you're expecting, going ahead?
So the category has not been growing in the last 2 to 3 years. There has been stagnation. Stagnation means that it was not growing. And there were some reasons why it was not growing. As marketers, we have not done too much to stimulate the segment. And we think that with this relaunch, we're going to give all the inputs that are required for the category to start looking up. And we expect the category to grow at double digits at least in the next year and a half.
Okay. Also, can you tell us what is your current market share in the cream segment, in the premium biscuit segment, and how do you plan on taking on competition generally in the premium biscuit segment?
So we have a significant share in the premium biscuits, and within the premium creams, we have a large share as well. And we are the leaders. We lead the category. But we are not happy with the share that we have. We want to dominate. And our target is to get to a 50 share in the premium creams category. And we have a time horizon of almost 24 months for that. And we are very hopeful with the plans that we have, we'll be able to get there.
And what is your current market share?
So we have around 35% share as far as premium creams is concerned.
Okay. Also, can you tell us, more on, what is your distribution reach like for premiums? Because this is typically, more consumed in till tier 3 cities, tier 4, tier 5, still, depend on glucose and the lower end. So what is your distribution strategy going ahead, and how are you moving ahead with this?
So distribution is one of the assets for Britannia, and we really think that we can leverage that asset for a relaunch like Treat. But the concern is not reach as far as Treat is concerned. Like you said, that it's a premium product, sells in certain town classes, certain type of outlets. So what is important is that we build, we have great execution in the existing outlets that we go to with Treat, and we create a lot of impact, we create a lot of visibility, we create a lot of awareness for the new range, and that we think our sales team is hugely capable of delivering.
Also, can you also give us a number as to, Britannia has slowly and, increasingly been increasing its reach, especially in the Hindi belt and up north. What is it really going to look like by the end of this financial year?
So we have done very well as far as our distribution is concerned. In the last 3 years, we've taken our directly covered outlets from, say, 7.5 lakhs to 15.5 lakhs. And we hope that we'll continue to add new outlets at the same rate. So we do think that that's one thing that gives us an edge, and we will continue on that journey.
Okay. And lastly, how many more launches do we see from your end for this financial year?
Innovation is a part of the key strategy that we have, and we are going to look at innovations in a significant way. There are innovations planned in a lot of categories. So premium creams is a category that we're looking at with few innovations. We're doing Treat now. We are looking at something in Pure Magic. We would look at something in bourbon. There is work happening on NutriChoice. There's work happening in Tiger. There's work happening in a lot of categories. There's work happening, and hopefully one solid innovation every quarter.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking to us.